Tired of websites looking bland? Let's transform your sites by learning a quick and easy way to import stunning icons directly into Adobe Dreamweaver. First things first, you'll need to choose where you want to source your icons. There are tons of free icon packs available online. I'd suggest looking for reputable providers. Once you have your desired icon files, which are commonly SVG, PNG, or ECO formats, keep them organized in a dedicated folder, ideally within your site's directory. Now, head over to your Adobe Dreamweaver project, open the HTML file where you want to insert your icon next. Locate your Assets panel. That's where we'll manage our media. Here you can import the icons directly by clicking the Import Media icon, then just select all the files you previously organized in that folder. Once your icon is uploaded, it's time to insert it into your website's code. Click on your selected icon within the Assets panel. There should be an option to easily insert this icon into your code. After that, be sure to give your image descriptive attributes, such as alt text, to ensure accessibility. Plus, you may be able to adjust the styling, such as size, to perfectly fit your design. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated beautiful icons into your website. Remember to experiment with different icon styles to enhance the overall visual appeal and create a more professional user experience with a few simple steps. You've elevated your website's design.